Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I have a haul for you, and it's kind of a collective haul. I got a couple of things in the mail, and I picked up a few more Dollar Tree items and some Michael's items. So let's go with the mail stuff. I got these dies from Sizzix. I've had these for maybe 2 weeks now. In the last haul, I forgot to show them, but I do have these two dies from Sizzix, and as you guys know, I struggle with making rosettes. I've been wanting to make these things for and ever, so I got these two dies. This one and this, and I think this is just one die, and this is three small ones and one that's a little bit larger. So I can't wait to use these. And oh, this right here is what I got in from Amazon, and it's this thing. It's this snap, you know, the little plastic snaps that everybody been hauling. This is the device or the pliers that you use for it, and then all of the plastic pieces are in here. Let me pour this stuff out. Okay, now my granddaughter ordered this for me. I told her what I wanted. She ordered it for me, and I thought that it was gonna come in a little case as opposed to packets like this, but you know, I wasn't specific, so I'm not even gonna say anything about it because I got them. So I have this blue, I have a blue color, or orange here, a lime green, pink. Here's that ain't even a lemon yellow. I'm not sure what color that is, but it's some type of like highlighter yellow color. Here's a purple, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of whites. Why? I don't know. I checked. They're all the same size, so I don't know if that... I just don't know. Ain't no sense of speculating. I don't know. And like I said, I got this thing, and it came with an owl. A-W-L. I think that's how you pronounce an owl. I keep wanting to say all, but I no telling. But that's what it is. It's an awl. But here it is. It's just a paper piercer. Fancy word for a paper piercer. And it had something else, I think a screwdriver. I thought it had another screwdriver in there, but anyway, that's the stuff that I got from Amazon. And let's see, let's go with Dollar Tree. I got these two bins today at Dollar Tree, and I honestly believe that these are the bins that I was looking for, as opposed to the ones that I bought the case of, because I just remember this being attached, as opposed to the other ones that, you know, they come totally off. These are thinner than those, but I think this is the one that I really wanted. But I was only able to find two at my local Dollar Tree, so I picked up those two. What else did I get at Dollar Tree? Oh, here we go. I got these finger protectors from Dollar Tree. Let me open this up and drop this in here. I picked up these brushes, these foam brushes, and I've never seen them in a pack with just the small brushes. So I went on and got two of those, because I think I got maybe like 5 or 6 of the big brushes that I have left over, because I used all of the other ones. So, but I was happy to see that they just had the ones with the small brushes. And I picked up these little cups here, and that's to work with the resin that I'm still playing with. And the last thing I got at Dollar Tree were these guys. You may not know, but I am a huge Transformers fan. Huge Transformers. I have Transformers the movie, The 5 Faces of Darkness, and The Return of Optimus Prime. I stopped at when they did the head formers or whatever that was. I stopped there. I don't like that mess, but anyway, that's another story. But I got Optimus here. I got Soundwave, I got Bumblebee, and I have Galvatron. And I'm just gonna take these off, and I'm gonna listen to me. I'm gonna take these out of the packs, and I'm gonna sit them on my desk at work. So I just like looking at them. They make me happy. All right, and the last things I got are from. No, this is not the last. Here we go. These are right here. I got these at Dollar Tree, and this is not craft related. These are some beauty items. Freeman is an awesome brand, guys. So if you see Freeman sheet mask at Dollar Tree, pick them up. I got the last two that were on the shelf, and I've always wanted to try these bubble face masks. So I got these two right here. I got the one that's a hyaluronic acid, and this one that says charcoal. Let's see, this one has activated charcoal infused with hyaluronic acid and retinol for clear, detoxifying, smoother looking skin. And this one is the bubble face mask with fuller earth clay, vitamin C, vitamin E. Use a lemon to brighten, clarify, and moisturize skin. So I want to try those, and I will let you know on my beauty channel how these work. And lastly, guys, I got these few things from Michaels. I got this paper pack. It's called Spice Market, and looking at these colors here, I can see that it's very pretty paper. I bought these because I have some dyes that my intent is to try my dye Wednesday, and I want to use this paper pack as well as as well as these sheets of this like peachy colored paper. Actually, my son is that color, to be totally honest. I bought him a peach looking, I bought him a peach linen outfit once when he was in high school. The kid just disappeared. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But I also got this red glitter, and because of all of that yarn I bought, I'm still going to do the pom-poms, but my grandma, a long time ago, she showed me how to do a little crochet stitch. So I'm actually going to see if I can perform that crochet stitch with this yarn, and because it's so thin, I hopefully will be able to make some okay doilies with it. Okay, guys, that is it for my haul. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.